Look at these gorgeous curls. On this side, I just touched this one up because I did a whole, mom life thing for the last couple of hours. And look, I was able to touch up the curls and they're absolutely flawless. Today I'll be teaming up with RPGSHOW to bring you this gorgeous, gorgeous girl. She does have more of like a chocolatey, natural brown root. And then it goes more into the rich tone, like fall vibes chocolate at the end. It's literally the most subtle way to like add a little bit of change in color without like going crazy. Let me give you guys a little bit of close up. You guys see that beautiful brown? And you guys see how it nicely, subtly graduates or marries into that nice natural brown. This one is absolutely gorgeous. She's perfect for fall. The length, everything about her gives like sweater weather, boot season, all of the above. And to set it off, this one is 100% glueless. I'll show you a little look at the hairline. Look how beautiful and seamless that is. And when I say glueless, I mean like no gel, no spray, no glue, nothing at all was used to make this one look amazing at the hairline. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the install. Be sure to check this one out. There's a direct link in the description box. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Jumping right into it, I love a great wig unboxing, especially when the wig and all of the packaging is so superior like RPGSHOW. You definitely get some free goodies, which I'll show in just a moment. But for now, let's unbox the queen, the star of the show. This here is a shoulder length middle part bob. She has a dark brown root with a hazelnut brown highlight. And as you guys can see, this is the look at the inside construction of the cap. We're going for a 14-inch in length, 200% density wig. She does come with this adjustable strap with their logo embossed. I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig and we're going to get to installing. So I'm going to use this Princess Tiana wet brush. This is from my kids' room. And I love this brush because it definitely does a great job at like brushing through your curls without like breaking them apart in a way. And this is a look at what she looks like on. I love the bounce and body on this one, but of course we got to remove the lip gloss because when we bobs and lip gloss just sometimes don't mix. Here is what she looks like from the back. I love that hazelnut color, and I love the fact that it's paired with a dark root for a nice subtle change. I'm going to go ahead and start out by stamping out the parting. I did go ahead and straighten it out to my liking. I like a parting that's straight but not too perfect because, I don't know, it just gives a little bit more natural when it's a little razzle-dazzle and imperfect. And then I went ahead and just pulled the hair back and we're going to remove the excess lace. Get a load of how beautiful and flawless the lace is without any work, any customizations to it. So for the cap construction, this one is a 13x6 glueless Swiss lace front wig. And did I mention she's 200% density and it's done very, very tastefully. I do like to cut out the excess tabs or the excess lace around the ears. This is going to help me to have an everyday glueless fit with no glue, no gel, no spray, nothing added at all to the hairline. Now I'm going to go ahead and just tame my sideburns. I'm using the edge control from beautybeauty.com and I like to just sweep those back so that it just blends flawlessly with the rest of the hair. Here I'm showing you from every single angle that the hairline is flawless. You don't have to do anything and it's literally bonded down. Also, I went through the package a little bit early to pull out this beauty here. This is their flyaway tamer and I love this because all of the beards or any flyaways you may have along the parting, you can apply a good amount of it and it will literally tame everything. Now I like to pair mine with an electric hot comb to add just a little bit of heat, and that for me just sets it off and just make sure that everything is on super flat, no lumps, no bumps at all. You can definitely skip this step and just work that product in with a brush or a comb and you'd be good to go. But you guys know me, again, I just like to make sure that everything is sleek and laid and, slayed. Here I am repeating those same steps along the hairline, and if you slow this step down and just look at it in the transformation, we thought it was flawless before, but just that flyaway tamer definitely took it up a notch and made it look super, super, super laid and melted in the front. I do also want to mention that I do have a coupon code. You can enter my name, Ashley, at checkout and you'll get $80 off, which is insane. Here I am tinting the lace and you guys know Ruby Kiss is my favorite. I'll have everything linked in the description box. But again, this one is an all set glueless wig. It's the new invisible knots with real scalp, upgraded pre-plucked hairline, and of course you have that free parting hairline. You can just make a side part and anything you want, absolutely
amazing and flawless.
My youngest Dominic has a 3 p.m. doctor's appointment, and the kids get out a few minutes before that, so we're kind of playing it close. So my husband went and did the whole school pickup for the kids, and they're literally coming right back to grab me and Dominic. And I have to do Dominic's hair and kind of just spruce her up a little bit. So this one is from RPGSHOW, and it's one of their beautiful glueless wigs. I wanted to put this one on obviously because I would not have to do much at all. Now of course I can go in and kind of like add my own curls here. Say hi. So they did load me up with tons of goodies in here. You guys seen I opened up this pack specifically for this product here. This is their wax stick, and it's called a flyaway tamer. I love this stuff, and it got the lace area super nice and sleek. Also in that pack were 2 of their burnt oil wig deep conditioners, and these work really amazing to help maintain your wig. They also gave me a melt belt. I like their melt belt because it's a nice soft band, but it's really thick, so it can get the whole, you know, hairline and help it to melt. And here you have your language, which includes, like, you know, details on your wig. And then also here you have a pack of wig caps, nice and brown like me. Also, you have your magazine. If you did not know, RPGSHOW has their own magazine, which is awesome. And then you do have a travel size home for your wig. So this is kind of like a dust bag, if you will. It says RPGSHOW and all of that greatness, established in 2006 at the very end. Or at the very top, but this is pretty much like a, you know, a nice little custom home for your bag, your wig. So if you don't want to keep the box for space sake, you can definitely keep it in there. And then even if you do keep the box when it comes to like travel, going to hotels, going to spend a night and all of that, you definitely have an option to preserve your beautiful wig. When I come back, I will give you a little bit more of a look at the hair and kind of like play with the ends a little bit. But for now, you guys can see this is a beautiful wear and go. So if you are on a time crunch, or if you don't know how to curl hair, you honestly don't have to do anything. You can just brush it out and go. Yeah, so I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, babies, so we are back. I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the curling iron because I did want to play with the curls a little bit. Now it's many hours later. It is at least 6:30, and we left around closer to 3, like 2:45. And as you guys can see, mommy life owns my life. Nonetheless, we are going to go ahead and touch the hair up. Let me just speed through this part because I feel like I'm just gonna unnecessarily talk to you guys.
Okay, so here I am. I did switch my top. This one is from H&M. A lot of times you ask about my tops and I forget to link them. This is from last season, so it may be out of stock, but I'll definitely check on it for you guys. But here I am, and I'm just using my Hot Tools brand curling iron. This is a larger barrel, but it's not the largest, so I believe this is a 1 or a 1 1/4 inch. And I like to go in and just do nice size sections and just curl away from the face. The angle is important to getting that really good Farrah Fawcett like wave. Now with this one, you could literally just brush it out and be good to go, which I did throughout the day. But of course, I wanted to go in for that grown and sexy night look, going out to dinner and having a good time. I just really wanted to make the curls pop a little bit more. I didn't add any heat protectant or any like holding spray or any serum. This one had a nice sheen to it, and it was tamed enough that I didn't have to add any product at all. And as you guys can see, the curls are coming out super amazing. I absolutely love RPGSHOW, and I trust that every time I get a wig from them, not only is it going to be flawless, but it's going to be easy to maintain.
Okay, ladies, so we are done with this look. Went ahead and added some curls to this one, and you guys seen I used the big barrel curling iron. I think this one is either 1 inch or 1.5 inch. I have the exact one I have directly in the description box links, but you guys can see it kind of just kept the same curl it already had, but just touched it up a little bit. And then as far as the like base goes, or like the lace, I did use the flyaway tamer, which I love so much. Sometimes I forget to use that one, but it definitely, you guys know how you'll have like the beards here that kind of like are little short pieces that'll like fly anyway. It definitely does a great job at like taming that and also just laying the entire lace down. I love the way this one came out. Now you can definitely go ahead and like change up the curl pattern and do whatever you like. I definitely want to take some pictures in this one, so let me stop like messing with it. And I did the kind of like cheat where I just kind of like touched up the top layer more so in like the front, and then I kept the bottom or like the rest of the hair the way it came. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Be sure to check out RPGSHOW. I have a direct link to this wig in the description box. And again, no smoke and mirrors. This one is 100% glueless, no gel, no spray. Nothing was used at all to bond it down. And the lace is absolutely flawless, beautiful, seamless, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, everything you need and more. If I did not mention, there is a direct link in the description box with all the details. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.